namin yung Brussels sprout na i-steam namin. Mag-boil din kami ng ano. Oh, it's already boiling here. Is it cooked?
They look good.
Huh?
Some are soft, some are kind of hard. A little more.
And now let's eat. My God, the camera is foggy. Yan, ang spaghetti. Tapos meatball. Kain na. Oh, good. Sarap ng meatballs. I made that.
Joby's meatballs. World famous. Joby's world famous meatballs.
Oh no.
What's this?
Oh yeah. Put a Parmesan cheese. Yeah, sarap, sarap. And of course, the Brussels sprout. I like this. Kain na tayo, guys. So that's it. Our simple lunch. Buhay sa Amerika. Yeah. Enjoy the food. That's it.